It's a bit of a strange background actually, this one, because my hobby outside of work is actually building and racing drones. But through that network, actually, through that group of friends that I have, we all had someone who was either family or a friend who worked frontline on NHS or within the care system. Between us, we realised that we have quite a lot of 3D printing capability. Well, why don't we use our resource and skills that we have locally? So this group is made up of engineers, mechanics, doctors, programmers, just every person under the sun. And we thought we would produce maybe like 20, 30 for people we knew. 2 weeks on, we've now delivered about 400, and we have requests for another 600 at the moment. That kind of increases every day. We're just really doing everything we can at the moment and making these things as quick as we can.